Today we're diving into a fun feature on Snapchat that allows you to add and try on your friends' Bitmojis. Bitmojis are a great way to express yourself, and sometimes you might want to see how your friend's Bitmoji looks on you. So, let's get started on how to add someone's Bitmoji on Snapchat. First, make sure you have the Snapchat app installed and open on your device. If you haven't updated it in a while, consider checking for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure you have the latest features. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the bottom of the screen and find the chat icon, which looks like a speech bubble. Tap on that icon to enter your chat section, where all your conversations are stored. In your chat feed, scroll through the list to find the friend whose Bitmoji you want to add. Once you find them, tap on their name to open up the chat with them. After you've entered the chat, look at the top of the screen to see your friend's profile name. Click on their profile name or the small Bitmoji icon next to their name to access their profile. In their profile, you'll see their profile picture displayed prominently. Tap on their profile picture to open a new menu with options related to their Bitmoji. In this menu, look for the option labeled Try On. This feature allows you to put on your friend's Bitmoji outfit and see how it looks on your own Bitmoji. Go ahead and click on Try On. Once you've tried on the outfit, you can view how it looks. If you love the new look, click on Save to keep it. This will change your Bitmoji's outfit to match your friends, allowing you to rock their style. Now that you've saved the outfit, let's go back to your profile. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see your Bitmoji with the new outfit you just added. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.